Glory of the game, football. Rocking out the same case. Got 3 boxes left in this case. Then on to a fresh. I'll give everybody. First up, we got B. Brady Schmiegel for the B spot, Jose. Let's see, Hawkeye, Iowa, Missouri. Old school. We got Brady 25 and 99, the B spot, Jose, and a Mark Mosley. So glory of the game, Autumn Wind for the M spot, that kicker, old school kicker, Blackjack. Another auto 25. Ooh, Cade Klubnik, very nice. The Heisman betting favor right now. I think 425 for the C spots, Ethan. Big club. We got quad auto. Bert Jones. Glory days. 385 yards, 4 tutties. In 1974. 25 or 35. Doubling up on the B spot, Jose. A quad auto box. We'll get names. No, the sweet game used. Say Cade, Ethan, Mark Mosley. It's not the best box. So glory of the game, box number 1. Fresh is up. So jumping in, everybody.